Hi students, one of the student asked me a question, sir, in Bohr postulate it is stated that electron can revolve in certain permissible orbits where the energy of the electron neither increases nor decreases. It is said to be in stationary energy level. How? Can you explain using physics? I tried. See, the radius of the orbit is r, suppose. Then what is potential? That is q upon 4 pi epsilon naught r. So everywhere the potential difference is same. So work done is basically equal to difference in the potential. Suppose VB is the potential here, VA is the potential here. So WAB is equal to 0 because VB is equal to VA equal to V, that is Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R. Hence work done in moving an electron around the nucleus is always 0. So it neither loses energy nor gain एनर्जी. हाउ इट इज क्लियर? जब इलेक्ट्रॉन घूमता है सर्कुलर पाथ में तो उसका पोटेंशियल कांस्टेंट रहता है. जब उसका पोटेंशियल कांस्टेंट रहता है तो ना तो उसकी एनर्जी लूज होती है ना इंक्रीज होती है. क्यों? क्योंकि पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस जीरो है तो वर्क डन इज जीरो. सो एनर्जी इज नॉट डिसिपेटेड. होप इट इज क्लियर.